Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to
stand out and shine light on other people.
So the first one includes taking care of yourself first, okay? Because how are you going to take care of other people when you're not taking care of yourself, right? With common quotes that we hear, it doesn't fully sink into our lifestyle until
it resonates with our life.
So part of taking care of yourself is smiling.
Smile.
Them seeing you feel good makes them feel a little bit better than before, especially if they're having a bad day, because your positive energy fuels other people in some shape or form. It fuels their negative energy with positive. It's important for you to maintain those high positive vibrations, right? And you're pretty much doing something that you enjoy doing, or being you, staying true to yourself, being authentic. So when other people see that, you're inspiring other people, you're being a leader. The next thing I will mention is the HELP acronym, which is Hello, External Loving Presence. Asking for help means being open and available for something new and beautiful and positive and loving. This one goes for yourself and for other people. So that is that negative self-talk. If something happens and you say to yourself, I'm stupid, then to flip that, you catch yourself and you say, I'm brilliant, okay? And if another example for another person, if they say that they're stupid, then you correct them and be like, you are brilliant. If somebody says that they are nothing, then you say that you are amazing, you are fantastic, you are worthy, you are capable, you are not nothing. You correct that negative thought every time, because just because it's said or just because it's thought of does not mean that it's true. That is all that I have for you today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. And also, peep the new video. Peep the new video. Peep the new video.